Start my video over. Okay, hey guys, it's Tyrone with Hood Service Company. Right here, looking at a unit. Getting an idea what's going on. Let's see here. Let you guys know what's going on. I'm trying to rig it up where I can get this thing where it's not moving. Okay, somebody I changed the capacitor, and I'll show you I got that here in a minute. The capacitor was swole up, and then so I put a new capacitor on there. But this condenser, the condenser unit is slammed dirty, which is probably cutting this compressor off on high head. I suspect they had somebody else over here, and the reason why I say that is because somebody took the terminals off this compressor. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna verify what's going on. I also brought my water hose over here to wash this coil out, because we can change whatever part we want. If we don't fix what's causing it to go down, it's going to continue to go down. If you guys can subscribe to my channel on YouTube, Hood Service Company, and then also follow us on TikTok at Hood Service Company or Hood AC. And then, as you know, you can follow us on Facebook, Hood Service Company, and my personal account is Tyrone Hood. So let's just do this. We don't want to bend those fan blades. We do have the power off. Let's see if that motor's. Let's see if that motor's hot. I didn't see anything burn up on the leads of that. So let me just show y'all what was going on. These right here are compressor leads. They're just laying down in the unit like that, okay? So that tells me somebody took it off. So I'm putting it back on. It's back on. Now, and then here's the, I'll show you the capacitor while I got it out. This is the capacitor. See it all swollen up? It's all swollen. It's no good. With a little luck and a fingers crossed, or a little prayer with our fingers crossed, we'll hope this guy's got. We'll hope this young man has a compressor. If it trips the breaker, we know the compressor's grounded. Let me just touch the compressor. Okay, the compressor's not hot, so. And it's probably because they unplugged it for a little time ago. I'm just gonna put a couple of screws in it because I got to take it back apart just to clean it. Right now we're just verifying if that compressor trips. Okay. Not good. That's not good. So either we tripped or we didn't. If so, we got a grounded compressor. Let's go in here and look at it. Not good, guys, not good. Somebody's supposed to have a long face. We tripped. This is it right here. Let's do it again. Tripped. We got a grounded compressor. That is not good. It's over with. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call this compressor in for this guy. And so there's nothing I can really do here, guys. I'm gonna call this compressor in, and then we'll see what he wants to do. All right, guys, y'all subscribe to my channel. Enjoy your day. Let's go take a picture of the truck. Hood Service Company, air conditioning and heating. I am the proud owner, along with my son and my wife.